Hi, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to solve this MIT integration B2024 problem. We have this problem. You have a series and you're integrating with from 0 to 1 dx. This is a very complicated integral, and your first thought is you're scared of it. You're gonna try it. Believe me, don't be scared of these complicated looking problems. Complicated looking problem most of the time have the easiest solution. But the only thing is you need to try it and solve it by yourself. You need to get out of this mental block you have whenever you see a complicated problem. Your first initial thought is, oh, I won't be able to do it, but do it. So the first thing is I'm gonna try to expand the series that we have. When you expand that, you get e x to the power 2 to the power minus 1012 and all these series term. And I know I can, this is basically a power, this is to the power some number to the power some number to the power some number. So this is basically, you can use the power rule and you will get all these expression, and then you can substitute back your limit, and you know the zero limit would make everything zero. So the only thing left with when you substitute the one term, and you get all these terms. Now you need to analyze a little bit, and when you and whenever you have these kind of problems, either something would become into sequence like arithmetic, geometry, or you have to analyze a little bit to see what is how I can reduce this pattern we have. Whenever you see something number to the power some number, you can see there is, so what you will find out, you have if you add the first term and the last term, this become one. So I found this pattern, right? Now I need to learn how to I can use that to simplify my expression. So now I need to learn how many terms I can make, because I know term from each side, if I add the second and the second last, it's gonna become one. So, but I need to know how many total terms are in, and the way to do it is you're going from, so the last term is 112, and you're gonna subtract it from the first term and add 1 to include 0. So the total number of terms become 2025. So which means 1012 terms is gonna have a pair, and they're gonna produce 1, and that is gonna make 1012. And but one term is gonna be left, and that is the middle term, which is n is equal to 1012 term. It's gonna left without any partner, and that you need to find out. Whenever you put n is equal to 1012, you get half, and now you can add 112 plus 1, and you become, the answer is 2025 divided by 2. So whenever you see a series in integration, try to simplify that series, and most of the time it's gonna give you some kind of sequence, and it's gonna give you some series, like it could be arithmetic or geometric series or like infinite series, which you should already know the answer to, or you can analyze a little bit and see a pattern where if you add two terms, or it could be a telescopic sum where things just cancel out, or if you add first or last term, you get one. So you need to get familiarized with all these kind of techniques. So if you have such kind of tools in your hand, you would be able to do those things. So and those kind of things come by doing a lot of question and practicing. So if you are not able to solve these kind of problems, you are just haven't practiced enough. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Like, share, and subscribe.